Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. This is Valentine's Day part 2. I don't know if there's going to be a part 3, if I have time to film a part 3. The parts is just different looks. It's not like a story, part 1, part 2, part 3. It's just a different look. So, everything that I created for my eyes is from the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Again, as I always say, you don't have to use what I'm using. You can use whatever you have. You can switch up the colors, whatever you like. The world is yours. So, without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, you can keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye! So, real quick, I purchased this moisturizer from Sephora the other day. I went in there to get some more Tatcha day cream, but my wallet was like, no. But it's a really good cream. It's really moisturizing without being oily. I really like it. It's water-based, so, but I was like, let me try something else that's a little bit more cost-friendly to my wallet. So I look over, and what attracted me was the color, because blue is my favorite color, and it's in a blue bottle. Now I don't know how to pronounce this. It looks like it might be pronounced Laneige. Laneige. I'm gonna look it up because I like to be correct when I'm talking about a brand. L-A-N. E-I-G-E.
Laneige.
Laneige. Laneige. That's how they're saying it. See how you say it.
Water is powerful. It is fluid, free-flowing, and seamless. It has the power to nurture life. Laneige believes that water is the source of beauty.
That's all I needed. Thank you. Laneige. So, it's called Laneige. So, this is Laneige. It is Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. Now, I thought this was going to be like a gel consistency. Even though it says cream, I thought it was going to be like a gel cream because it's water-based. Well, not just because it's water-based, but a lot of the water-based products that I've used are gel. But this one is more like a cream. This bottle, I can't get over. Packaging is really huge to me. It tells me personally that you took time into your product, into your packaging. So I really like it. So I came on here to say that it's really moisturizing, and it felt so good putting it on. But this is my first time using it, so my skin looks pretty moisturized, pretty glowing, still red, but yeah, just wanted to introduce that product. I'll be using more of it, so the more I use it, maybe I'll come back and give you my full honest review. So without further ado, let's jump into this look. So the first color we're going to start off with is Secret, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. I'm going to be using a Luxie, I think it's a 249 dual-ended brush. On one side is eyeshadow brush, and the other side is a blending brush. And this brush is great for beginners. It gets right there in the crease, and it also packs on color really well. It picks up product, tons of it, so you don't need to tap a million times, just a little bit, and you'll get enough product to pat onto your eyelid. So, going back and forth in my crease area to build up the intensity of this color, and then after that we're going to go work on the outer crease and the lid. I'm only going to be using 3 colors. Surprise. So the color that I'm going to be using in my outer V is going to be Raw, is the color. Yeah. My videos will not be complete without a dance spray. You know this. Anyways, back to our regularly scheduled programming. So putting that color Raw into my outer V and blending it also up into my crease. I want to create just a slight smoky eye. Remember, this look is more of a natural look that I was going for. This was part one. It was supposed to be part one, but part one got carried away. So I had to revert back and really do a natural look. So this look is as natural as I can contain myself and do. And the next color that I'm going to be using is that really, really pretty gold shade. It has gold speckles in it. It's like just really, really gorgeous. It's called Crave and it's out of the same palette. And I'm going to be packing this on with an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to be using this all over my lid. Do you see how pretty that is? And to make it more intense, spray your brush with Fix Plus and that builds up that color. Do you hear what I'm saying? It intensifies it like to the 1000th degree. Next, I went in with my lashes, one of my favorite lashes by Eylure in Jasmine Brown, and I placed those on off camera, you know this. However, in my next video, which I am trying to get up this week, it's Valentine's Day Part 3, and I really want to get up tomorrow, but I'm not sure if that'll be possible. But I'm going to make every effort to, but I can't make any promises. But in that video, I do apply my lashes on camera. And I also, you just have to tune in because I also have a moment, have a transparency, share some of your knowledge moment. So you just have to stay tuned to see what I talk about. Next, going in with foundation. Before that, I'm sorry, I went in with my green color corrector from Eylure Cosmetics to minimize the redness on my cheeks area. And then I went in with a foundation brush and applied my foundation by Lancome Ultra Tint. Wait, no. Ultra Tint. No, is it Ultra Tint or Ultra Idole? I feel like it's Ultra Tint Idole Wear Foundation. No, that's wrong. I know it is. Pause for the cause. So y'all know I had to look that up, right? Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. Why is the name so long? Anyways, this is a really beautiful foundation. It has great coverage. It's, I would call it medium coverage, but it is buildable. And I went in with my Makeup Addiction sponge to blend that out. Now I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35 and a concealer brush to apply this, and going in with my sponge and buffing it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Eylure Cosmetics Contour Colors, Dark Cocoa, and I believe I used Beautiful Bronze this time to create my contour. going in with my Kat Von D translucent powder. I've been loving this. I love how micro it is. I love how fine it is. And I love how translucent it is. And I patted it. That's not a word. So I pat it on with my Makeup Addiction sponge. Now I'm going in with my Luscious Cosmetics Matte Drama palette. And I'm using 3 taps of the lighter of the darker shades and 1 tap of the dark shade. And I'm blending this out with a angled brush. Sharpen up that contour with my translucent powder, I am going in with the Real Techniques brush, and I'm going in with my Pacifica Beauty favorite blush of all time, Tenderhearted. I'm so upset that I don't think they make this palette anymore, but it's my favorite blush to wear. So I'm applying it as my blush, and I'm using one of my favorite highlighters, the Makeup Revolution. Bam! You see that highlight? I know you see that highlight. It is popping. Okay. Anyways, so Makeup Revolution, Strobe Highlighter, and Gold Addict. I swear by this highlighter. It is amazing. And then, you know, hubby, you know, because he loves to be in my videos. You know, he loves to talk to me while I'm filming, and he loves to be in my videos. Oh, yeah. Okay. So after that, I'm doing my highlight on the highest part of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow on the top of my lip. Going in with MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Powder and setting the rest of my face. After that, I'm going to dust away the my translucent powder for my contour. And then we're moving on to lips. I can't get over that highlight, y'all. I think that's the sharpest and the most like bam in your face highlight that I've done. Anyways, going in with NYX lip pencil in Soft Spoken, using that as a lip liner and putting it all over my lips, and then using MAC Cosmetics, oh baby, over top. Wait, no, I did not use that over top. I used the Bare Minerals, excuse me, I think it's called 24 Karat lip gloss over top. And I also used, what else did I use? I also used Revlon lip gloss over top of that because I'm so extra. So extra. And after that, I'm going in with Rizzy and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter over top of the highlight that's already popping, because, you know, I don't think, is there such thing as too much highlight? I don't know. I don't think so. Not in my personal opinion. Anyways, then I fluffed out my hair, took up my clips, sprayed my face with NYX matte spray to set the face, and I'm done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.